Is that your grandpa?
He looks scared.
Yeah, we're both trying to lose weight, so we've been changing up our diet and also being more active. Ready to go see your grandparents? Yeah? No emotion? Okay. Alright, so we are gonna be going to Pollo Loco today. We're gonna be eating a salad with my mom and my dad, just making sure we got everything. Baby, check. Wife, check. Let's go.
Can you put the water inside?
Yeah.
No, on the side.
Oh.
Just pushing it.
Throw it in here.
Throw like $5 for like a whole pack.
Yeah. Alright, let me just throw away this trash real quick and get going because my family's already there and we need to get going. Alright, let's go, Papa. Let's go, yeah. We're gonna go see your grandparents. Yeah. And you know how Grandpa loves you. You know how Grandpa wants to see you already. You know how Grandpa wants to see you every single day. Alright. Alright. So with that being said, this is where the drive begins.
Here, baby.
Yeah, we're both trying to lose weight, so we've been changing up our diet and also being more active, more like just going on walks, working out. So that's the good thing. And if we want to see results, we need to be consistent. Oh look, there's a Kia K5. There's a nice Kia. I've seen like a lot of people do like different like mods on their cars, and this type of car looks nice. Yeah. All right, merging onto traffic is a success. So you're not gonna eat, right? No. Okay.
I already had mine.
Yeah. Sounds Gucci.
Well, I had my little pizza and then
Yeah.
I had
A rice cake, no?
sweet treat. And then
Rice cake
yeah, it was rice cake with
peanut butter and the banana.
Banana, and then I added the nuts with the chocolate.
Oh, that sounds good. Sounds delicious. Sounds
Nice.
delicious.
Alright.
I know. I think at Pollo Loco, I'm just gonna get a salad.
And then today I just had 2 rice cakes with tuna. Yeah, so it was cute.
I know. All I ate today was just pretty much like the pumpkin seeds, the dill pickle ones, an apple, a banana, and then when I got home, just the dates with a little bit of peanuts. So I feel like I deserve a good meal. 4 people, and with me 5. Okay, yeah, let's go south. Yeah. You see, look, the north ramp, and we're going south.
Casa, como nuestra casita, casa, cama, como donde dormimos. Cielo, mira el bonito cielo. Coche, ahorita donde estamos. Y cuchara, donde vas a comer.
All right, let's see how traffic is. Is it backed up too? There's slight traffic. Are they gonna let me merge? Yeah. I need to be listening to music. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted by anything that I play, but I'll just keep it a little low. I need something to relax to. Oh, traffic is stopping. Let me switch. And there's a lot of traffic here too. 105 traffic ain't no joke. Oh, it says it's 3 minutes faster to get off here. You know what? I'm gonna do that because look at this traffic. Yeah, I think there was an accident right there. That's why. So let's see. Let's get out of here.
Globo, goma, galleta y girasol. Un hipopótamo, H para hipopótamo. Hipopótamo, a ver qué hay con la letra H. ¿Qué hay con la letra H? A ver. Oh my. Un libro.
Alright, so I changed my camera setup, so hopefully it looks different. I don't know if you guys could tell what I did. I look even weirder now because I changed the way my camera is set up. So it might look like it's a little higher, but honestly, I think that's a perfect point of view. So not too bad. I think I actually kind of prefer it this way than how I had it. Excuse me, girl. You're doing what? Monkey noises?
He's laughing.
Oh. He's laughing?
Yeah. He's enough.
Hi, Papa. Is that your grandpa?
He looks scared.
Is that your grandpa?
He looks scared.
Open the door.
Yeah, but they need to move. They're right here. I'm gonna open it. Take a selfie of myself. Chiqui, me chula. Viene bien calentito ahora usted. Porque está haciendo mucho frío. Véngase. Está frío, véngase. Está del bueno.
Como que estaba dando una loading que sale a Uy,
What's up, bro? I know.
Where's your camera?
Hi, Dad.
en la Toña.
Tápalo, pues está frío.
No me mira. Ay, my God. ¿No te quiere ver? ¿Míralo? Ay, my God.
Let's get everything.
I barely promised. Agárrele. Quítale seguro. No, I'm grabbing it apart. And I'm gonna ask like, open the door. I'm like, well, they need to move them like they're open it.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna use the restroom. Huh? Oh, they remodeled it?
I told you that I was barely parking, but I said, ya quítale el
Yeah.
lock.
Look, they have new local tenders. Ooh. Oh, thank you, baby. Oh yeah, it looks remodeled. Ajá, ya no me saludas. Hi, Mom. Oh, yo voy a agarrar una. Esta.
Ajá.
Pero-
Yo agarro la que tiene doble.
Double chicken bowl.
No. Es doble.
No voy a agarrar este. Oh no, ¿sabes qué? No, también voy a agarrar yo este.
¿Todo bien?
Sí.
Solid symbol, but not like assembly como pero a symbol, ¿no? Yeah. Wait, it's fire everywhere. This guy's like sitting.
¿Qué es esto? Oh.
You look outside.
Sé que era.
Pero en mi orden viene una soda.
No.
Strawberry shortcake? Ooh.
Ooh.
Strawberry shortcake.
I want to try that one.
Concord freeze. Oh yeah.
Ooh, I want to try the strawberry
Thank you.
shortcake.
Tengo una cabeza para pensar.
Yes. Oh, thank you, Dad. Oh. Yeah.
Ya me lo va a comer usted.
Ya agarra todo. ¿Quieres a mitad de este, ma?
No.
No?
Oh, sí.
Yeah. Amen. Amen. He's like, excuse me. Dang. Wobblies? Angry sauce. Alright, let's try it.
Well, no, just from there.
Alright, let's see.
I mean, it is spicy.
See if it's
It's like
spicy.
that hot one. That
Uh-huh.
hot. Yeah. That's a lot.
Eat a lot of it, yes. It's hotter than any like Taco Bell spicy.
Oh, eso sí, for sure.
Oh yeah, it's spicy.
Good though, no?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. But yeah, it's spicy. I
How
know.
does it feel being hurt?
Good? Yeah.
First kid.
Yeah.
No, I think it's really good.
Let's get out of here.
I need to get out of here.
Dijo, I need to get out of here. Oh. Too fast. Boy, imagine then just.
Waffle.
Y ahorita sí voy a manejar.
Ah. Xilófono.
Oh, sí, ahí están los tacos.
El sábado sabía que vas a ir.
No sé, ma. Are you gonna change them there?
Yeah.
You have wipies?
No.
Well, you know what, guys? I think that's actually gonna be all for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and click the videos that YouTube is gonna recommend, and I'll see you guys on the next one.